Hi, I'm Laura. I'm the mom, and we do family night a little bit differently. My husband Mo and I decided we want the night off.
So that's why my parents are the kids and I'm an adult now. While I'm doing dinner, they'll do their homework. So today I'll be making yummy lettuceless mango salad. What you'll need is some broccoli, some edamame, some shredded carrots, and some juicy mango. You'll take some avocado, mush it up, then add a little bit of lemon to make your dressing. So now my very talented brother is gonna mix it all up. Kids, supper's ready! Bon appetit!
Wait, we need dessert.
Thanks, Marvelous Creations! Okay, Mom and Dad, it's time for bed.
No! I want more candy bars.